2026 Love in Translation Thai BS series starts on August 5th every Saturday on channel 131.
Zhao Pitaya as Yang. He was born on 14 January 1998. Current age 25. Ofrol Kantapon as Punjai. He was born on 4 February 2000. Current age 23.
Follows the story of two young men, one who wants to be successful in running a business and the other one who wants to succeed in flirting with a Chinese chick. The two agree to help each other in exchange for helping to run a convenience store and teaching Chinese. As the two spend time together, someone's heart is taken up. However, it turns out both of them feel the same way